Force and pressure, class 8th, chapter 11. Now in this video we will discuss about pressure. Now pressure. We will describe about pressure in this video. Pressure, this is the force acting on unit area of a surface. Now pressure, its formula is pressure equal to force upon area. If the area is smaller, because area is denominator, if the area is smaller, the pressure is more on the surface for the same force, and if the area is bigger, then the pressure is less. Example, it is easier to push a nail into a wooden plank by its pointed end than its head, because the pressure is more. The pointed end has lesser area, so the pressure is more. It is easier to cut vegetables with a sharp knife than a blunt knife, because in a sharp knife the area is less and blunt knife has more area as compared to sharp knife. So in sharp knife the pressure is more. Shoulder bags have broad and not thin strips to reduce pressure. If you are children, you are using bags. The bag should have broad straps. If the strap is broad, then the pressure is less because the area is more. The broad strap has more area. So the force is spread to larger area and the pressure is less. So we can easily carry the bag with broad strap. Pressure exerted by liquids, gases. Gases and liquids are collectively called as fluids. Both liquid and gases means fluid exert pressure. The pressure exerted by the atmospheric air and by the fluids in our body is of great importance for us. Liquids exert pressure on the bottom of a container. It depends upon the height of the liquid column. Liquid exert sideways pressure also. Liquid exert equal pressure at the same height. Children, you can see from the pic. Liquid exert pressure at the bottom by the balloon we can see, and they also exert pressure on the side, and if we are having holes in the bottle, then same amount of liquid is streamed out from all the holes, because the liquid exert pressure equal in all direction. So this shows that the pressure applied at any point on an enclosed liquid gets transmitted equally in all direction. This statement is also known as Pascal law. Pascal law. Pressure exerted by gases. Gases exert pressure on the walls of a container. Children, in the given pics, in all these devices, balloon, rubber tube, swimming tube, etc., the air is filled, which exert pressure and which give it a proper shape. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure of air around us. Atmospheric pressure is due to the weight of air. The weight of an air column of the height of the atmosphere. An area 10 cm into 10 cm is as large as 1000 kg. 1 square centimeter area at the ground level experiences a force due to nearly 1 kilogram of the air. If the area of your palm is about 100 centimeters square, so your palm, when held horizontally, is being exerted by a force due to 100 kilogram of the air. This force is nearly equal to the weight of 2 to 3 boys of your age. But we don't feel this force on our palm. This is because the atmospheric pressure above and below the palm is equal. Now the atmospheric pressure, so this is measured by a device called barometer. The drinking of a liquid with the help of a hollow straw is also based on the pressure exerted by the atmosphere on the surface of the liquid. When sucked through a hollow straw, the liquid rises into the straw due to the difference in the pressure of air inside and outside the straw. Mountaineers at high altitude sometimes experience bleeding through their nose. This is because at higher altitude the atmospheric pressure suddenly drops. This leads to the rupture of blood vessels in the body, causing bleeding from the nose.